So, the first thing is your importance is telling a person, don't do it in a half-minded. Yeah. If you're not sure, don't take any action in life. First be sure, confidence here, and then move. Half of the time what we do, that I'll be able to do it or not. That means you have already created a rejected mindset in your brain and cells. Your neutron, proton, atom, they have received your negativity already.
Not necessarily, it's just doubt, no?
Yeah, so
Sometimes
doubt
you're
goes...
not, yeah, but sometimes you're not really sure that you can deal with
So
it.
doubt is fine. But put the right knowledge and have a... So doubt is Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga is important. But no, I will not be able to do it maybe. Or what if I hurt? What if these thoughts, these thoughts are not necessary.
To be ready to try with an open mind.
Try with the safety. But without trying, don't justify yourself already. Since childhood, we have been doing that. We've been told, and so now it's in our mind. Then, so forearm distance, and then interlace your fingers. Push. See my shoulder blades engagement? Already you engaged them. Don't think I'll go up and then engage. This and this are two different things. So you push. Now, this part, I can open my fingers, I can keep my hands closed, depends on person to person. And they also pushes a lot, so sometimes what people do, they bring their one finger in. So this you can. And then start engaging the shoulder blades. Your head has to take the body weight, remember. You can't do without supporting from the head. Now elbows, forearm, wrist and head, they created a tripod position. And then walk in. Let your hip, let your tailbone direct your body. It's not the leg lifting me or directing me. It's I am trying my sit bone pointing up to the roof again.
Bit by bit.
It's Vajrasana right now. What we did, right? And then slowly, slowly you can only raise your knees up. Or then extension. Or from here slowly in a similar way you can raise them up. In similar way you slowly train to come back. Don't lift your head immediately. You slide. Let the lengthening of the neck take place. And then resting your fist on fist, dropping your forehead to re-arching your neck. Because sometimes compression comes up, right? Follow this counter. Your head, your neck, 90% time will not hurt. I'm saying 90%. If you have done too wrong, then you really have to lengthen. And how to lengthen is Simhasana is a counter, traditional counter of Shirshasana.
Wow.
All those compression, you release it. If there is a compression, the releasing of the true is
Wow.
this is all those sternocleidomastoid, you releasing the neck and releasing the mind when you the expression, what we were talking about is important. Okay?
So until I can go up, just try and get into the Vajrasana, right?